Hi, this is Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2020 Mercedes-Benz GLE 450 4MATIC. Today's model comes in a black exterior with a black interior, dark wood grain trim, sunroof, blind spot assist, 4MATIC, Mercedes-Benz and GLE 450 badging, and a power opening and closing trunk. Lots of storage space here. And those rear seats can easily fold down if you need a little extra storage. Go ahead and take a look at the rear seats here. So again, there's that wood grain trim. And we also have the premium Burmester sound system throughout the vehicle. Rear seats. And to fold those down, it's really easy. All you do is just pull out a lever and folds right down. Now you have lots of storage space here. Quick look up at the front of the vehicle. So we have driver's side memory seats here and heated seats for both driver and passenger sides. Getting that premium Burmester sound system throughout the vehicle. So we have our driver seat controls, driver door controls, driver seat, steering wheel. Go ahead and hop inside the vehicle. Mileage currently at 34,008. And we have a push button ignition. Well, here we have our Mercedes-Benz navigation system, radio, and backup camera. Just below that is our climate control. And you can see this vehicle is equipped with the customizable ambient LED lights throughout. See those across the dash, as well as here by the door handle. Mercedes-Benz shifter. And then to control everything on the touchscreen, we've got this command module right here. And center console, do have wireless charging right up front here. Cup holders, and storage here as well. Now if you'd like to see any photos or get any additional information about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.